Million Dollar Weekend by Noah Kagan offers readers a gripping narrative of entrepreneurial ambition, resilience, and the thrill of seizing opportunities. Through his own remarkable journey, Kagan demonstrates how a single weekend transformed his fortunes from unemployment to creating a million-dollar business. Here's a detailed summary. Kagan's narrative begins with the unexpected loss of his job, a setback that could have easily derailed his aspirations. Instead, he channels his frustration into determination and embarks on a bold mission to launch a profitable business in just one weekend. This audacious goal sets the stage for an exhilarating journey filled with highs, lows, and invaluable lessons. Drawing on his experience at companies like Facebook and Mint, Kagan leverages his skills in marketing and entrepreneurship to identify a lucrative opportunity, an untapped niche within the entrepreneurial community. With unwavering focus, he meticulously plans and strategizes, laying the groundwork for what will become a whirlwind weekend of innovation and execution. As Kagan dives headfirst into his venture, he encounters a myriad of challenges, from logistical hurdles to self-doubt and uncertainty. Yet, with each obstacle, he refuses to falter, demonstrating resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Through his perseverance and resourcefulness, he navigates the complexities of entrepreneurship, turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. The heart of Million Dollar Weekend lies in Kagan's relentless pursuit of success against all odds. His story is one of grit and determination, underscored by a willingness to take calculated risks and push the boundaries of conventional thinking. Through his experiences, readers gain insights into the mindset and strategies required to thrive in the fast-paced world of business. As the weekend unfolds, Kagan's efforts yield unprecedented results, culminating in a staggering million-dollar revenue milestone. His triumph serves as a testament to the transformative power of ambition and action, inspiring readers to pursue their dreams with unwavering tenacity. Beyond its narrative allure, Million Dollar Weekend offers practical wisdom and actionable insights for aspiring entrepreneurs. From identifying opportunities to navigating challenges and cultivating resilience, Kagan's story provides a roadmap for success in an increasingly competitive landscape. In conclusion, Million Dollar Weekend is more than just a tale of entrepreneurial conquest, it's a testament to the boundless potential that lies within each of us. Through Kagan's journey, readers are encouraged to embrace risk, defy limitations, and seize opportunities with unwavering confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business professional, this book is sure to ignite your passion for success and inspire you to embark on your own extraordinary journey.